Beautiful Wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I'm going to give you a real quick tour of the house. This is my second attempt. I did actually have the camera on me and talking to you guys, but unfortunately it dropped the frame when I went to edit. It actually, my lips were not syncing with the action, so I had to re-record it. So this is the garage. And I came in through the garage, and I'll show you the front door as well. But I just want to go ahead and show you because it is 4 levels. This is the first underground level, I guess. Yeah, you gotta love these green walls here. And let me just take my shoes off. And here we go, and I have been cleaning already. I did get my shark out and steam the floors. And this is the kitchen. As you notice, as I entered into the, from the garage, it comes up into the kitchen. And here is all my junk. I'm trying to keep it in one place as I clean. And my water, my distilled water for my shark. And so, yeah, and then over here actually is the front door, and this is the dining area here, and it's split. How I can tell is the ceilings change, right? And so this is how I was able to section it off. And then here is a living room space. And I don't know if you can see back there. I'm going to see if I can take you over there, but this is the train station. And this is the place where I told you that, let me see. I'm going to open the front door and see how this looks. Okay, here we go. And as you notice, these are the trains, and one of the trains across the rail is what I would take to work. And so there it is, and I would walk through there, and it's like a 4-minute walk. And this is the front door, as I said. So as I come in, this is what I would be seeing. And I did have some deliveries already, so it's already in a corner, and also my Xfinity stuff. And then you have the living space, the dining space, and the kitchen, and then you go up levels. But I wanted to show you this. I found this on my door. This has got to be, this is California, okay? Take a look at it. It's We're Nug Club, the monthly weed box. Can you believe that? I was like, what? What? They're selling marijuana, as a box? And I'm thinking, okay, only in California. It's just because that's kind of our thing. Okay, not my thing, no, but it's okay. I don't judge. And it is legal, so. Okay, now I'm going to go upstairs. That was a commercial break. And unless you're in California, I don't think you can, you can order through there, so. Definitely not sponsored. And here's when we come up the first level. This will be where we have kind of like a TV room, and this is where our entertainment center will go, is out against this wall. And then we have the window here, and then against this wall we just bought, my husband and I just bought the it's like a love seat, but in the middle there's a console, and it has like USB ports, and it has a place where you can put your popcorn. And so it's a reclining one, so we're gonna do that. And then we'll go ahead and maybe put a hideaway cat litter box there. And then this one here is the bathroom, and there is a half a bath here, and I still don't have all of the stuff I need. So, and here's just a half a bath and a nice little sink. And then when I go across this way, and also this place has got air conditioning, and it's 3 levels, and you can control each level separately on a timer, but I set everything to be at 72 at all 3 levels. So, and as we go forward, it's a little dark, so let's see if I can get some light on the subject. Okay, here we go. This is the master bedroom. And 2 closets, 2 completely separate closets. I have to be careful because I'm not wearing appropriate clothes. I don't get in front of the mirror, and then I'll have to redo the whole video again. And here's the windows, and I'm going to give you a shot of the front, where you saw at the front door. Well, this is from the 2nd level. As you notice, I don't know if you can see the mountains across there, and at night it is just so beautiful because all of those buildings, this is downtown San Jose, and all of those buildings light up in neon colors. And the airport is like right down the street, so there's an airplane flying by. And then, let me just go ahead and shut this down to try to keep keep it cool. And then on this side is the bathroom. Again, I can't get into the mirror, so let's see. And as you notice, there's also huge counter space back there. I should probably just put on appropriate clothes, but this is the first shot here. And I'm just showing you, dual vanity, 2 sinks, and so much cabinet space. Let me see if I can just do this. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, so because there is a mirror there. And so let me just kind of go ahead and turn this light off. Okay, how does this work? Okay, I'm still not used to it yet. And then now when you leave there, you go up to the 3rd floor, or technically 4th floor if you count the garage. And it is a little bit of a tight curve up here. And what I love about this house, and the reason why I wanted this house, aside from the fact that it's a beautiful view of downtown, is the fact that I want to keep my work-life balance. And this allows me to do that because the 3rd floor is going to be our office. And here's a bathroom that is shared by both rooms. There's a room to the right, which would be, this would be my husband's office. And there's a huge closet with mirrors on both sides again. And then the other side, and also what I like about this is, look at this here. And this is perfect for office supplies, and we'll put our fax and copy machine up here that we could share on Bluetooth. And so it's between both of our offices. And again, a huge mirror there, so I'm gonna try to avoid that. And it has ceiling fans as well. And there we go. And I'm gonna try to stay out of the mirror again, but there's a huge mirror, and I'll do a better job of showing you all of it when I'm more appropriately dressed. But now look at this view. And I was here the other night, and it was just so beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything done with this view, and I plan on putting my desk here and somehow recording things maybe here. The problem is this space is much smaller than what I had, but that's okay though. I don't mind that. And so yeah, I mean, just it is what it is. But the closets are huge, which is nice. And this is what it would look like from looking out from my office to his office. Okay, and again, the office space cabinets, and we're gonna make our way down. Oops. Okay, I turned the light off too soon. I have to watch my step here. I don't know how they're gonna get up and get my toolbox and stuff up here, but that's why we hired movers, right? So, but my husband and I will be moving some of our things, personal things, tomorrow, is it? Yeah, in a U-Haul, and like my scarves and my clothes and things that I rather move myself. And so again, this is the master bedroom, and tomorrow also we receive our brand new bed. So we got a brand new platform bed, so yeah. And then down the hall, again, this is a TV room. I'm just reversing myself here. And then down the stairs, again, I gotta pay attention before I break my neck. And the other thing is, the cats, they have never been in a house with the stairs. And so I don't know how they're gonna do that. They're probably going to spend a week just, checking it out. So what I did was I got the Shark, the floor Shark, the steamer, and I steamed all of the floors. And so in preparation for our, our furniture and things like that. And yeah, it is what it is. And let's see if I can show you from here. Huge amount of cabinet space, and my husband is the cook in the family, and he is just loving it, because right now one thing we don't have is a lot of cabinet space, and we like to bulk shop even though it's just the 2 of us. Yeah, don't ask me why. We love Costco. And so here we go, and then this is where we are putting our deep freeze right here. And there is a desk space here, as you notice. You can put a chair, but we are going to make a coffee bar there. And so it'll be pretty nice in the morning, just make our coffee and then take it upstairs and all that. So yeah, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it for right now. But I do want to tell you an affirmation, and I don't have my cards with me, but one of the things that I realized that I need to say to myself is life is of failures. Before you succeed, you'll see more failures. And the only failure that's gonna stick is the failure that you quit. And so don't quit. Because the reason why I say this is because I could have quit today when I was recording these videos, and I got it all the way home, and then I downloaded it, and all of a sudden it said you dropped the frame, and it was a warning on my Final Cut Pro when I was editing, and I just wanted to quit. I said, you know what? I'm sure my beautiful Wildflowers would forgive me for this because I'm moving and all, but you know, I just couldn't quit. I just didn't want to. And so whenever you feel like you want to quit, don't quit, because the only failure is that you quit too soon. Okay, my beautiful Wildflowers, and I hope I can get this up for you guys, and I hope I don't drop a frame again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'm sorry I didn't show myself today, but yeah, I'm not appropriately dressed and I'm all sweaty and I need to hop in the shower. So, okay, my beautiful Wildflowers, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your patience and understanding while I'm making my move. So, okay, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It does not matter. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.